All right, everybody, motorcycle mobile mechanic. We know where we are in Las Vegas. Let's see what it sounds like. This is a 1000cc Cbr600rr. Let's see how this bad boy sounds like. Came in for service. All right, let's try the Cbr600rr. This is an 08. That one is an 03. This one was rebuilt, custom exhaust. Beautiful bike. Let's see how she sounds like. This one has a full pipe. This one also. Let's give it a rev, everybody. Let's see how she sounds like. What do you guys think? 08, 03. This bike has a lot of custom parts on it though. Give me a call, anybody. You guys need service? I'm in Vegas, baby.